All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to MolarGold midweek analysis. Um, it's so nice and interesting when you see what price is doing. It's so nice and interesting because sometimes a lot of people will be thinking the opposite of the market, but we would tell them the market is going to do A, B, C, or D. Okay, and it's very very interesting. You don't need to you don't need to go in a counter direction. You don't need to go in a counter direction of the market. Market always move that way, right? All the time you have to look at the trends of the market. That's the most important part. Trends of the market. All right, let me forward the analysis to my other platforms. Let me forward it. 1 second, guys. 1 second. We'll be going shortly. Okay. All right. Perfect. So let's start with what I told you guys on Monday. On Monday, I told you guys price I've made with A, with B, and then with C. All right. And then we made a minor correction in the middle here. Minor correction, one, two, three. All right. But actually, I made the error. It wasn't a minor correction. It wasn't a three wave. It was actually a five wave. I counted it again. And then we had this A, B, C correction, and price should drop all the way. Currently, we are at this level. This level is telling me that okay, now everything looks bearish. Right? It looks bearish, so we can do this, we can do possible this, we can do that, like this, and then we drop. Possibly, we can have something like this. Okay. Aiken says good morning. Good morning. Page says good morning, mafia. I'm not a mafia, guys. Okay, so yes, we should expect. What we should expect is what I'm actually giving you right now. What we should expect, and quite interesting how the indicator has has shown us so many positions in the sell direction. Okay, it has given us a lot of positions, countless. So interesting, so interesting. We will come to that, but now we have this move. So like I told you, price is likely to do one, two, three, and go back up, then drop like this. Okay, so that we get a degree of similar size, or we get a WXY. But we just did a small correction like this, and then price did the drop. So as I told you, don't buy gold. You see, if you had bought gold, you'll be in trouble, be in serious trouble. Now gold has shown the direction, pace is set. All right, now we have this to be with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, with 5. A, B, C correction, and then that gives us a higher degree with 1, a higher degree with 2, and this is a higher degree with 3. Now I'm going to tell you we should have this kind of correction. Why am I saying that? We already have 1, 1, 2, like this. We will have possible 1, 2 again like that, 1, 2, 3 like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Then price will drop again. That would give us our 4. Okay, That will give us our way forward. We should expect something like this. All right. But don't forget, we always going in the sell direction. Now, market is set for sell. Don't try buying. We are set for sell. Don't try buying. Okay? Market is set for sell. Don't try buying. All right? I won't repeat it again. Now, when we continue to drop, we should expect price to get to this level. This is the level before any stories. If we get here, we will get stories. Price can equally start doing some corrections and all of that. Okay? But since we haven't gotten in here, don't forget it. It's still sell. We are still in a sell mood. All right? So once we get into this zone, then the buys can kick in. Here currently, we should have some buys. Okay? But don't focus on the buy. Trend is set for sell. Don't focus on the buy. Focus on sells. All right? I'm going to explain. Now let's use other tools to define the reasons. Currently, we are diverging. We started diverging already. You can see we have clear divergence. We have clear divergence. All right? But we want divergence in the kind of way that we understand. That is why I'm still telling you guys we focus on the sell, not the buys. Okay, price already started diverging. That's nice. Nice divergence. All right, we started diverging. So what is going to happen? I don't know. Probably price can do the moves I always anticipate. They can do 1, they can do 2, they can do 3, they can do 4, they can do 5. Gives you a kind of triangle like that. Then they move it up before they come down again. Okay, and that's down they would move. Likely we can use it to enter into the territories we are expecting. So they can do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. They used to enter these territories before we start coming up. All right, but that is not what I'm expecting. It's also part of the alternatives which is likely to happen. The alternatives which is likely to happen. All right, so let's look at that. Let's look at that. That is the most important one. That's the most important one. So we look at that here. We look at that here. So expect them to do this and enter here. That is what I'm actually looking for. Then we start going to the upside. Okay, we will not go very deep. Not very deep like the way I've drawn it like this. We will not go very deep like the way I've drawn it. We can go like something like this and then we drop again. Market is totally bearish. Okay, now let's go into the higher time frame. Why I'm telling you that market is totally bearish. So I'm going to tell you right from here. All right, so we're going to go into the all right. So I have drawn something like this already. I have drawn something like this already for price, what the market should do. Okay, Emmanuel Mensah says you are the best. 100%. Will we get free signals today or forecast? Today is a holiday in Ghana. It's raining. But don't worry, today I will do my best to give free signals. Yesterday I wasn't on decks. Right? I have to move out to chase some packages from FedEx. So we missed a whole lot of trades. A whole lot of trade. Tons of trades. Tons of trades. Let me show you. So yesterday I gave out this sell right from these levels, right from these levels. And I left you guys with all these trades. I didn't call any of them. I left all these trades. I didn't call. So yesterday would have been crazy. All these trades, all these ones. Okay, all these ones. I left them. I didn't call them. So yesterday would have been crazy, 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 crazy. So let's see. From here to here, that's 300 pips. 320 pips. Alright. Then this one, that's 260 pips. And that one, that's 160 pips. And that one, 110 pips. Have I measured this one already? Okay, so this one. And this is 80 pips. So we missed all these trades. That's fine. I always tell you guys, early in the morning, I already missed all these ones. Early in the morning, I already missed all these ones. These ones. Alright, early in the morning, I've already missed all these ones. So I came back. I was actually watching the chat before the call from FedEx came, and then I have to go look for the package. Okay, yes, that was the reason why there is no trade, only one single trade in VIP, and then no single trade on the free channel. Sorry about that, guys. Today I'll do my best. Today is a chilling day though, but how you could do them? We have to serve you guys, all right? Yeah, your success is our commitment. You can see. So yes, we have to, all right? And early this morning already, some good trades have already popped up. Some good trades have already popped up. Very good ones. Very good ones. We have this one already early this morning. I just woke up. It's light out. I just turned on my generator to do this analysis. It was light out somewhere around 6 that way. They took my light. Okay? Yeah, so don't worry at all. Now we have this move. What I'm actually thinking in the higher degree undo. What I'm actually thinking in the higher degree. What I'm thinking is this. Price is not yet done with what it was doing. That is why these Israelis and whatsoever, nobody has thrown a bomb. They are waiting. That's how it works. Elliott Wave has stated all of that in his theory. Okay? Let me Google it for you to see. Idealize Elliott Wave. Idealize Elliott's wave progression. If you don't read, you won't make money in this business. All right. So this is the idealized Elliott wave progression, and this is what it is. You'll be so good. Look at it right here. It says when we are at the bottom of the market. All right. When we are at the bottom of the market, if we invert it, when we are at the top, it's often question of existence, depression, war. So war is here, right? Then that is large degrees. Intermediate degrees is recession, panic, and limited wars. War is also here again. Thank you. We are done. So we are having war. So the war is what is causing all of these nonsense. I'm not here to teach, but this is what Elliott is telling us, right? Elliott is telling us this, and it has been working since. You get it? So don't worry. We understand how all these things works like. This week, I think price should get somewhere here. We should get the correction, and then they will impulse into these areas. Okay, those that do not know, they are still trading other block and whatsoever, choke or chalk, and their stop loss keep hitting because they are trying to find a resistance, sorry, a support and buy the market. All these things have failed. They try buying here, failed. Try buying here, failed. Try buying here, failed. Where will you try buying? Probably they are coming to look at this area. Try buying there too as well, right? You don't run in front of a running train. No, it's going to kill you. When market is selling, sell. When market is buying, buy. That is why I have this my personal indicator. It's telling me that market is selling. There is no way I'll call a buy for any of you. Not at all. All right. So, guys, in the higher degree, you have seen it for yourself. Price should do a possible three move. We are not close to any of these levels. So, what do? We continue to sell. And then, when we get to levels that we expect reactions, we would be careful around these levels, like where we are currently. Where we are currently, I have stated that we can have 1, 2, 3 correction like this, 1, 2, 3 correction, and go back up, then we drop. This is possible. We can also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, triangle, and then we go back up like that. That is also possible. All right. So now we have the ideas. We're just going to watch the market in that kind of light. Then what do? We're going to trade accordingly. Don't worry, I'll be dropping a lot of signals. Okay. All right, guys. If today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified immediately. At this point, I'll tell you, my name is Dr. Mola.